Imagine a world where agreements execute automatically, like a vending machine that dispenses your favorite snack the moment you insert the correct coin. Now envision that same level of automation applied to complex transactions such as renting an apartment, processing insurance claims, or even executing international trade deals, all without any intermediaries. This is the transformative power of smart contracts. In our previous lecture, we explored how smart contracts work by executing themselves when predefined conditions are met. Today, we are going to take a deeper look at the benefits and limitations of smart contracts, so you can understand both their immense potential and the challenges they face in the real world. Welcome to EduTube, your trusted source for clear and engaging blockchain education. In this video, Lecture 19 of Module 4, Smart Contracts and Decentralized Applications, dApps, we're discussing benefits and limitations of smart contracts. While our last lecture explained the mechanics of smart contracts and showed examples of their self-execution, today we will focus on what these contracts mean for everyday use. As digital transactions become more prevalent, smart contracts promise to revolutionize industries by automating processes, reducing costs, and increasing transparency. However, like any emerging technology, they come with their own set of challenges. Whether you're new to blockchain or an experienced enthusiast, this balanced discussion will help you grasp where smart contracts excel and where caution is needed. Let's begin by exploring the benefits. One of the most significant advantages of smart contracts is automation. They execute automatically when specified conditions are met, much like a vending machine that dispenses a snack as soon as you insert a coin. For example, imagine renting a car. Once your payment is verified and all rental conditions are satisfied, the smart contract immediately unlocks the vehicle for you. This eliminates lengthy verification processes, reduces paperwork, and minimizes human error. Another major benefit is cost reduction. Traditional contracts often require intermediaries like banks, brokers, or lawyers, each adding fees to the process. With smart contracts, these middlemen are removed from the equation, allowing peer-to-peer transactions directly on the blockchain. Consider an online marketplace where a smart contract holds funds in escrow and only releases payment to the seller once the buyer confirms receipt of the product. This not only saves money but also builds trust, as every transaction is transparent and verifiable. Transparency itself is a crucial advantage. Since smart contracts are recorded on an immutable blockchain, every transaction becomes part of a public ledger that any participant can audit. Imagine a crowdfunding campaign where contributors can track exactly when and how funds are dispersed to the project creator. This openness minimizes the risk of fraud and builds confidence among all parties. Efficiency and speed are additional benefits. Traditional legal agreements can take days or even weeks to finalize, often bogged down by manual processing. In contrast, smart contracts process transactions in real time. For instance, in the insurance industry, if your flight is delayed beyond a certain threshold, a smart contract can instantly trigger an automatic payout without the need for human intervention. This immediate execution enhances customer satisfaction and streamlines operations. Now let's examine some everyday examples to illustrate these benefits. Picture subscribing to a streaming service that uses a smart contract to manage billing. You're charged precisely for the content you consume, and the subscription automatically adjusts based on your viewing habits. Similarly, in an online marketplace, a smart contract can ensure that funds are securely held in escrow until you confirm that the product you ordered has arrived in good condition. These examples demonstrate how smart contracts can simplify transactions and enhance trust in daily activities. However, smart contracts are not without limitations. One of the primary challenges is inflexibility. Once deployed, a smart contract's code is immutable, meaning that any mistakes or changes in circumstances cannot be easily corrected. It's like buying a vending machine with fixed settings. If there's a change in market conditions or a bug is discovered, updating the system becomes extremely difficult. Coding errors and bugs present another significant risk. Since smart contracts are written in code, even minor mistakes can lead to vulnerabilities. There have been instances where such errors were exploited, resulting in substantial financial losses. Think of it as having a small flaw in a security system that, if taken advantage of, could compromise the entire setup. Legal and regulatory uncertainties further complicate matters. Traditional contracts benefit from established legal frameworks that provide clear paths for dispute resolution. In contrast, smart contracts exist in a relatively unregulated space. This can create issues when conflicts arise, as courts may struggle to interpret and enforce contracts that are entirely automated. The lack of clear legal guidelines can hinder the widespread adoption of smart contracts in sensitive industries like finance, healthcare, and real estate. Scalability is another limitation. As more smart contracts are deployed, blockchain networks can experience congestion, leading to slower transaction times and increased fees, much like rush hour traffic on a busy highway. Additionally, many smart contracts rely on external data sources known as oracles to trigger actions. If these oracles provide inaccurate or manipulated data, the contract may execute improperly, causing unintended consequences. Let's contextualize these limitations with daily life scenarios. Consider an online subscription service managed by a smart contract. Ideally, you're charged only for the content you watch, with adjustments made automatically. However, if the smart contract contains a coding error or is too rigid, you might experience billing errors or service disruptions. Similarly, envision renting a home via a smart contract that automates deposit transfers and access control. While the process is streamlined and efficient, any inflexibility in the contract could lead to disputes if unexpected issues arise, like sudden maintenance needs or changes in rental terms. In summary, smart contracts offer transformative benefits such as automation, cost reduction, transparency, efficiency, and real-time execution that can revolutionize industries ranging from finance to insurance and online commerce. However, these advantages are balanced by limitations, including inflexibility, potential coding errors, legal and regulatory uncertainties, scalability challenges, and reliance on accurate external data. At EduTube, our mission is to empower you with clear, actionable knowledge about blockchain technology. Thank you for watching Lecture 19 on the benefits and limitations of smart contracts. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next lecture as we continue to explore the evolving world of blockchain and decentralized applications. Your journey into digital innovation is just beginning. Embrace both the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead, and empower yourself with knowledge.